Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to upload guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys password security setting, and today video title is guys how to add fingerprint lock in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to add fingerprint lock, you want to use fingerprint lock setting in Infinix mobile. So how to use and how to add, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. Open your phone setting friends. After turn on phone setting friends, how to add fingerprint lock. Friends, open your device security setting. After on your phone security setting, friends, you can use fingerprint lock setting, face lock setting. So friends, you want to add face lock, so you can add face lock, and you want to add fingerprint lock. Friends, click here fingerprint lock setting. Draw your device pattern to continue. Enter your device password to continue. Friends, I have one fingerprint lock and I want to add one more fingerprint. So friends, click here add fingerprint option, next option. Which fingerprint you want to add, select your fingerprint. Friends, I will use this fingerprint and we will add. Friends, same again, touch and remove. Place on your finger on sensor. Then friends, you can add fingerprint lock in Infinix mobile. Friends, different move. Touch and remove, fingerprint lock will add. So friends, you have two fingerprint lock. So friends, off your device screen. Friends, you can unlock your phone one finger, and friends, you can unlock your phone with second finger. So like that way you can add fingerprint lock. You can use fingerprint lock setting in Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to use 3 fingerprint lock, you want to use 4 fingerprint lock. So friends, you can add one more fingerprint here. Click here add fingerprint, next option. Which fingerprint friends you want to use, add your fingerprint, and you can unlock your phone with 1, 2, 3 and 4 fingerprints. And friends, you want to add face lock, so friends, click here face unlock setting. Draw your device pattern, enter device password, next option, click here and show your face guys. Face lock will set in your device. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.